Deep in the woods, a powerhouse prepares for the ultimate challenge. The weathered gray Titan begins the heavy lift.
Precision engineering makes light work of massive weight.
Every log secured is a step closer to the mill.
Enter the convoy. A classic semi joins the mission.
Piercing the darkness with industrial strength.
Traction is everything on this treacherous terrain. The road ahead is unforgiving and winding. A veteran of the woods, showing the scars of the trade.
Hear the roar of the haul.
Balance is critical when the stakes are this heavy. Secured and steady across the bridge.
Safety lights guide the way through the fog.
Diving deep into the grit and the grime.
Clearing the way for the mission. A synchronized dance of heavy machinery. The beauty of the weathered beast.
Through the smoke and fire of the forest.
Flexing its muscles over every obstacle.
The destination is finally in sight.
Picking up speed as the finish line nears.
Mastering the drift with a full load. Golden hour for the logging legends.
Tension that never breaks under pressure.
Welcome to the heart of the industry. Entering the yard with the prize. Mission delivery in progress. Teamwork makes the unloading seamless. The journey ends, but the legend lives on. RC logging at its finest. Built for the woods